gonna. May look like an illusion. It just looks like something to me. Let's test it.
Where's the rubber bands? Hey.
It's on the shelf. The little black ones. It's in a bag somewhere on the shelf.
The little black shelf?
No, the one right there on the door, sweetie.
Let's stop that.
The white flowery one is his comforter.
Okay.
The other one he's just laying on top of.
Yeah.
The baking soda helped soak it out. It did pretty well, but when he lays on it sometimes in the morning, I'll feel it and I'm like, and I feel bad.
Yeah.
So I just wanna.
What is that?
I forgot that Megan Thee Stallion was voicing. She was making her own anime and shit.
Where's she?
Just in case. Yes,
So she voicing the characters like now.
No, this looks good. No, this looks good. Anyway, let's test it. Nice, nice. Very nice.
Sit for me, my dear. Sit for me, please. You got it, you got it. All the way down. Slide to the floor, and then I'll help you up.
Let's test this one. Anyway, let's do it. That was very fast.
Oh, that means, no. Oh, okay. Okay.
Now let's just,
Who do you
let me
think it was?
remove
So
this.
fucking, what's his name came back?
It'll-
Yo, they're like, it's been 400 days since we seen him. It's been 356 days since we seen him. Chad Gable.
Yeah.
It's like been 400 days. It's been 300 and some change since they saw a German or Austrian guy.
What is that? Yeah, let me check.
You know it's mad funny. These motherfuckers can't tell the difference between like Mexicans, Ecuadorians, Peruvians, right?
Mhm.
But then you be like, yo,
Let's
fucking
test this
a Polish
one.
guy, and they're like, I'm Hispanic. And I'm like, how the fuck am I supposed to know?
Who said no? That's
What
better.
if I use... I'm just gonna do this one.
He's like, yeah, give me that eye. Don't gas him though. Like that ass. Don't make Oda seem like a bitch.
Yeah.
Collided in NXT, but these are far different from that. You talk about the importance of momentum in this business. Nobody has much momentum as
Oba has a little height on him, but Homeboy also got a little weight on him. Like, let's be real. You wanna act like he's not grounded? It's like a large stallion going against a
No,
fucking
let's do
donkey. You know what I mean? So like, is the stallion bigger? Yeah. Are they fucking pushing over that donkey with these? No, the fuck they're not.
Good, good. It looks good. It looks good. Now let's.
Good God! What an uppercut from Femi! Dropping Otis. And now Femi, 330. Crossing dead. He just picked up a 330-pound man and threw him across the ring. The ruler is not human. You gonna try it?
Now let's test this one because this may look a bit weirder. Looks weird. What if I do it without this and replace the 2 with the 3? I wonder what it would do.
I'm so sorry. He was like, am I really gonna pull this off? Well, like, Otis is shorter and he's a little chubbier. So he doesn't have, like, to be able to jump to give you that leverage. If you gonna lift that motherfucker, you lifting him. It's the same thing with fucking, what's that guy's name? From the fucking Viking Warriors, whatever. Yeah. The bigger guy? Yeah. There isn't much that he can give you. Because he's taller, but he's even bigger. So like he's not jumping. He can't jump and help you, and it's actually gonna make sense.
Gonna put it in. Yeah, let me check.
He's actually Nigerian. Is he? Yeah. He's born here because he doesn't have an accent, or maybe he learned to cope it.
Okay, now let's test this one.
Nobody trusts me. Guess what? I don't even trust myself.
Looks a bit.
We're in the same fight. You're fighting the vision. I'm fighting the vision. Sometimes those fights are gonna come together.
Now let's do this one.
Yeah, but the Vision got 20,000 members now. Yeah. And he got fucking like 20,000 members and shit like that. And then on top of all that, y'all just be stragglers. 1, 2 at a time taking care of them. That never happened. There you go, my dear. Did you wash your face? No. And this is why I can feel the texture here. Please wash it in the morning quickly, okay?
Yeah.
Put some lotion
Look,
on
now this looks good.
when you go in my room. Ready? Jimmy
I'm just gonna call this the sound bounce.
I had to suffer, you had to suffer. Okay. I suffered it out. Okay, baby.
It's like this.
Oh my god, I gotta scrub those fans. Yeah, you have little period stains. It's fine.
This is the sound. Sound bounce.
When you come back out,
This is not a sound bounce this is not a sound bounce because it's pointed up. A sound bounce must point down to be a sound bounce. Look, see, this is a sound bounce. I'm gonna test this one. Anyway, so.
When I talked out like the other day, he's like, ask him a question. I didn't know what he was talking about.
I'm just gonna use this equation I sometimes heard of.
Sorry, I had to pause my video. What did you say?
Let me see.
He came out a second time now, bro? That never happens. They never allow it.
I will be holding said championship. And what's
I don't
important
recall
about that
from.
is that the Intercontinental Championship
Was he over there in NXT for long?
is the token of excellence in the WWE. That championship is the launching pad for everyone in this company's history. Straight to
No,
the
this
top.
almost looks like a...
Where all egos Now, whether you folks like it or not, you're gonna hear one phrase.
Oh, it's because
very
this.
soon.
Ben, you see, back in 14, I think this is supposed to be off camera. Because it's supposed to be commercials, but we have.
Just made like that. Let's give it pie.
No, because see now. Oh, let me go back. I guess maybe.
We haven't been getting the ads because of the blocker.
General Manager Adam Pearce would sit Io and Asuka down. They would go face to face.
Io, Asuka, you both impressive this time before we get to Backlash. Ladies, the floor is yours.
Yeah, it looks like it looks a bit weird though, but I'm gonna test it. This part looks like a cosmic bounce. I mean, it sound bounce. This part, like this, all the way to this. Anyway, let's test it.
Oh my god. Now they're changing her with. You ain't gonna take that shit.
You have changed. No, it has. 私が憧れてたアスカはもういない。Now, I have to fight you.
Let's test this one.
You
On.
continue your disrespect. わしの知ってる教えたイオはもうここにおられるっていうことやな。The person sitting here, who are you? お前誰や?
Let's test this one. What?
You can leave your book bag there since you're gonna see. You can leave your book bag there if you want. You're gonna take it in my room? Yeah. Okay, alright. You just want your books out of there? Your drawing books? You got homework? Alright, you got some time? Go ahead.
The relationship between Asuka and Io has passed the point of no return. This Saturday in Tampa, Florida at Backlash, one-on-one, the score shall be settled as Io Sky battles her former senpai, the Empress of Tomorrow, Asuka. And this is a situation, Corey, that has been building for years and years and years. It finally comes to a head on Saturday. Now, Io had better be ready for war because Asuka, you know what lengths she's going to go. So listen, I need to know
I
about
just
this
created
ridiculous stuff
some
that's going on
sound.
down at First. The Creed brothers are now involved in this whole thing with the OG Americano.
That's all I had to create.